If you're looking for a cushion cover for your boneless chaise, look no further. This one by NAISI is really well made. It is velvety, it's well sewn and super stretchy, and it is the perfect size for the cushion of my chaise lounger. I wanted to prevent excess wear and tear on this seating part of the cushion. So I went ahead and got this, and as you can see, it just fits this T-shaped cushion like kind of like a bottom sheet for a bed. And it's sized right. And as you can see, I just pull it on over and I have a whole new look. And my chaise has some extra protection and extra durability on the seating cushion. Here you can see the velvety effect, and I like that it is smooth and it doesn't contrast with the corduroy on the chaise. I was trying to get it to match this pillow, this chocolatey color, but it's more of a grayish brown, but I don't care. This fits so well, I'm gonna go ahead and keep it, and I totally recommend this 100%.